Welcome back to the channel where you better understand supply chain management, planning, and operations. Today we're learning about job shop cycling. Job shop scheduling is like organizing a massive, complex dinner party where each dish requires specific steps, tools, and timings. But your kitchen can only handle so many tasks at once. In this scenario, your goal is to serve all the dishes hot and fresh exactly when they're supposed to be served without overloading your kitchen or leaving guests waiting for too long. In more technical terms, job shop scheduling is an operational management technique used to organize and control the production processes in environments where a variety of products are made in limited quantity. Each product, which is akin to a dish in our metaphor, requires a specific sequence of tasks or operations, which need different machines or workstations. In this case, they're the kitchen tools at different times and for different durations. Here's a detailed breakdown. In job shop scheduling, each job, product, is made up of multiple operations that need to be completed in a specific order. Think of the operations like the steps in a recipe. We chop the vegetables, boil the water, or bake dough in the oven. These are all done via machines at the workstations. These are the resources needed to complete the operations. Each operation requires specific type of machines or workstations, and just like in a kitchen, some machines can be bottlenecked if many operations require them at the same time. So how do you know exactly what to work on and when to work on them? This is where the recipe book comes in, where we schedule the objectives. The main goal is to optimize certain objectives, such as minimizing the total time required to complete all the jobs, minimizing delays, or balancing the workload against all of the machines. It's like trying to figure out the best order to prepare and cook the dishes so that everything is ready on time, nothing is overcooked, and you're not wasting time waiting for something to finish. But these jobs all have the constraints that one must keep in mind. Job shop scheduling is complicated by constraints like the availability of machines, the need for certain tasks to be completed before others can start, and the limited time available. It's a puzzle where you have to figure out the most efficient use of your resources, all the while adhering to the recipe's requirements and timing everything perfectly. Which brings us to the scheduling algorithm. Various algorithms and methods are used to tackle the job shop scheduling problem, from various heuristic approaches to sophisticated optimization software. These tools help planners find the best sequence of operations across the different machines to meet their objectives, much like how a chef plans a cooking process to ensure that all the dishes are prepared efficiently and served on time. In essence, job shop scheduling is about making the best use of the available resources to meet the production goals efficiently, despite the complexity and variability of the tasks involved. It's a critical task in manufacturing and production settings, where it directly impacts productivity, customer satisfaction, and the bottom line. Just like in our dinner party analogy, success relies on careful planning, flexibility, and the ability to adapt to unexpected challenges.